Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So University of Delhi has announced admissions for its PhD program in psychology for the academic session 2024 to 2025. So we have attached the link to this article in the description box. You can check that out and you can read the necessary details for applying into this program in this article. And if you feel that you are eligible, then you can find the registration link here under educational qualification. From here, you just have to click on new registration if you are registering for the first time, and then we have to just fill in our basic details here. As you can see that I have filled all of the basic information here. As this is just for the demonstration, you just have to fill your own details here, and then you just have to click on the register button. Now you will receive an OTP on your mail. Okay, so once you have received an OTP and successfully proceeded, from there to here, you just now have to log in. You have to fill in all the details, all the credentials that you have made while registering. So I'm just filling mine here. You have to fill your own. Okay, so once you click on login and fill in all your credentials, you can see that our profile has been halfway made. You can read the process here and simply follow the instructions given. From here, you have to click on update profile details. So as you can see that we have to fill in our personal details here, and just for the demonstration I am filling mine here. You have to fill your own. This is just for the sake of tutorial. So as you can see that I have filled in all the details that were needed, and here you just have to fill your own name, then gender, then birth date, and category. Here I have selected unreserved. You just have to select your own category here. This is just for the sake of demonstration, and then I'll just scroll down. I'll check all of the details that I have filled, and then I'll simply click on save and next. Here you have to register your permanent address, and if your correspondence address and your permanent address is same, you just have to click here and then save and next. Just recheck and then proceed to next. Now we just have to fill other details. Here I am filling the blanks that are required, that are necessary to be filled. You just have to fill in your own details. This is just for the sake of demonstration. So I am filling no here, and then I have filled in the details, and then I'll click on proceed to next. So here you just have to upload all of the required documents. Like you have to attach your photograph, and please read the instructions given here, that what type of photo or image you need to put here, and the file size, and all of the details are written here. You can just simply read it and you can upload it here. I am uploading mine, and you can upload yours. Okay, so as you can see that I have uploaded all of the required documents. Now I will just click on next preview, and then I will recheck all of the information that I have filled. Recheck it very carefully that you have filled all of the details, all of the necessary information correctly, and then I will click on submit and log. Okay, so now that I have completed registration and profile details process, I will now select program here. I will click on apply now, and then here I will select the program level. That is, we are applying for PhD, right? So we will just click on PhD, and then here I'll select psychology. Then we will click on proceed. Again, you just have to recheck all of the information that you have filled here. Now for the academic detail, you just have to click on the relevant option. Here I am selecting this, and you have to select yours. Now you just have to fill in your qualification details. Okay, so after filling all of the necessary details of your qualification, like here you have to fill your class 10th, year of passing, and all of the class 10 details. Then you have to fill here your 12th details of your 12th standard, and then after that you have to fill in your graduation details. Here, as you can see that I have filled mine, you have to fill in yours. This is just for the sake of demonstration. Here I have filled in the postgraduate details, and then just recheck everything that you have filled in all the necessary details, and then just click on save and next. Okay, so after filling in academic details, now we have to fill in our net details here. Okay, so as you can see that I have filled in all the necessary details here. All of the details mentioned here are just for the sake of demonstration. You have to read it carefully and fill in all the details, all the required details of your own. Then I will click on save and next. Just recheck everything, and if you feel that everything is correct, everything is in order, just click on next. Okay, so now that we have filled in all of our program selection details, personal details, academic details, net details, other details, we will now check on our uploads. And here I have uploaded 3 of my documents. Now I will upload class 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and graduation, post-graduation certificates here with the required details. And then here we have to upload our net certificate as well, and our research proposal as well. Okay, so now that I have uploaded all of the required documents here, I'll just recheck, and then I'll click on preview. So as you can see, the form has been filled here. You just have to recheck everything, and you just have to check that you have filled all of the necessary details here. And then after rechecking everything, previewing everything, you just have to click on submit. Now that I have verified all of the details by clicking here on the checkbox, I'll just click on payment gateway, and then we are here on the payment dashboard, and you just have to fill in all of your payment details here, and then you will be done with your form submission. Thank you.